This is me about to propose to the absolute love of my life. And in this moment, I thought this was the best day of my life. I was wrong. Now let me explain. In 2019, I walked into a hospital in Lekki looking for a job as a video editor. Now I didn't end up taking the job, but I took something else. I took notice of this beautiful young woman with big eyes, an enchanting stare. We locked eyes for a second, but I was just about to walk away because 1, I was shy, and 2, she looked completely out of my league. But just as I was about to leave, she stopped me and took my number.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I know.
Wow!
We started talking, hanging out. I even cooked for her once, which may or may not have given her a slight tummy upset. We haven't really proved that yet. But somewhere in between all of that, I realized I had found something special. I had caught myself a beautiful fish, and I wasn't letting go. So we stayed through the highs, the lows, even when the world felt like it was falling apart. We stayed, we laughed, we built something real. And one day she threw me a surprise birthday at the beach, inviting people she barely knew just because she knew they mattered to me. And that's when I knew I was going to spend the rest of my life with this woman. So yeah, this moment mattered more than I could explain back then, but I was wrong about one thing. I thought this would be the best part of our story. But the truth is, the best day of my life is every day I get to do life with this person. It's every day I get to love this person.